What's good, everybody? Now, I know I normally do a lot of the sneaker reviews, comedy, sports, but I really want to come at you today with a little something that I really like. Now, this right here is going to be a little something different. And before we get started, man, just do me a quick favor, man. Drop a like, subscribe if you find content like this appealing. Now, I'm going to go through a little bit. This right here is what we're going to get into. This is the Bulova Moonwatch. Now, unlike my Bulova Sutton that I keep in my little cool box that I like to keep everything tucked away in. Man, that's so satisfying. This right here is the Moonwatch. Now, of course, everybody know the first Moonwatch was the Omega Speedmaster. Went to the moon, but unfortunately, the crystal broke on it. So when the crystal broke, he went to his backup watch, which was this one. It's the Bulova Moonwatch, okay? It's the Lunar Pilot. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through some of the features, some of the quirks, some of the things I like, some of the things that I feel like if you're in the market for a nice watch, it's something to take a look at. Now, as we open up the box here, you'll see the beautiful insignia here on this very nice box. The box is really well made, really well designed. The version I have comes with the secondary band, which is kind of like a more industrial style with the dimensions on it on the frequency. Nice leather wrap there. Soft to the touch. Fits in the box just like that. I probably won't use that band, even though I kind of like this leather strap here. This is the one that I think I'm gonna rock, this regular leather strap. Okay, you don't have to have it sized for you. It's gonna fit exactly where you need it to fit. Now, some people say that the watch face and the bezel is a little too big. Now, my personal opinion is I have a decent sized wrist, okay? I've worn watches that are really big, and I've also worn watches that are relatively small. This is my classic Casio. Nothing too fancy, just quartz movement, kind of small. Then we'll take a look here at the Bulova Sutton. A little smaller as you compare the two side by side. It's a little smaller. I have a pretty decent sized wrist, so I feel like I can go a little bit up on the size. So what I want to do is take it out, unbox it, and kind of show you guys what's going on here. All right, so we'll go ahead and put it together here. I want you to just take a look at this beautiful face. I mean, honestly, it just doesn't do it justice in person. Like, I've seen a lot of pictures and, videos. I've been kind of looking at it for quite a while. But in person, God, man, like, this watch is magnificent. Now, I'm going to eventually end up putting it on and taking off all of the plastic on it. But as you can see here on the back, if you zoom in, the Apollo 15 mission, 1971. Okay. Water resistant, but yeah, I'm not taking a shower with this thing on. I'm gonna take off this plastic piece that covers the bezel and the face. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful, guys, beautiful. Take a look at this. As you can see here, 262 kilohertz. It's gonna give it a nice smooth sweep. Maybe not too smooth, and as you can see, a little bit of a reflection on the face. The raised bezel, just a tiny bit. But honestly, for the size of the way it looks, it's really not that bulky. I'm actually kind of impressed with the way that the size of it feels and how it kind of feels in my hand. It's not really too heavy, but on my wrist, I'm pretty sure it's gonna fit nicely. I can interchange the band, but I'm probably not. I'm gonna go with this leather band with a little bit of the detail on it, you can see. Good clarity. Honestly, it's not as little bit of a reflection on it, but not too bad, right? Not too bad. Now, of course, everyone knows all of the story on the Lunar pilot. Okay. If you don't know the story on it, you gotta check it out. This watch has been to the moon. Well, a version of this watch has been to the moon. Not this watch in particular. I just got it. But you got these metal. It's really thin. It's not obtrusive. It almost looks like some type of protector, but it's actually very smooth. Yeah, I'm actually just taking a second to take a look at it myself too, because I just got it. And honestly, I can't wait to wear it. I mean, I have a few daily watches that I like to, you know, wear on a daily basis, but I think between my classic old school Casio, I got this because it had the date in digital, 2 dates, and it also had the face as well. And I love that face. This one, I don't wear it quite as often, but it is very beautiful, brushed and gloss. I think this is gonna be my day-to-day. If I end up changing over to this band, it would only be because I like the Velcro strap. But personally, I'm really feeling this leather wrap strap here. Now, of course, down below, you're gonna have the authenticity papers. You guys don't need to really see all that. They got a little kit here for you. You can slide that out, boop, pop that, boop. And if you need to change the band, excuse me, want to change the band, this tool here will be able to help you out with that. But for me, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get it cranked up, get it started, and I am gonna enjoy this watch. Now, similar watches, chronograph style, for value price, man, this Bulova is gonna be able to hit all of the needs that you're looking for. One's very accurate. It's gonna get you to, I believe, from what I read, it said about 10 seconds, not per day, not per month, but per year of accuracy. So you'll be accurate within 10 seconds for a whole entire year, which basically means set it and forget it. This watch here is gonna have all of the things you need when you're looking for something that's gonna be a conversation starter. Also, if you're into collecting, it's a good watch to have. Or if you just really like the style and the design of it, I mean, you're looking at a really nice watch. What do you guys think? Let me know down below in the comments if you have any questions about it, if you have anything you want to know about it. Do you have one of these? Do you have a moon watch? If you do, let me know what you think. How would you compare it to any other of the first generation, second generation? Has a date time mark on it there. I mean, this watch is just going to be a perfect day-to-day watch. You can wear it. It's going to be accurate. No, I don't get paid to say that. It's just true. All right, guys. Until next time. Peace.